I'm going to show you some of those details. But first, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
With us being in so many homes, a lot of times discussing roofing projects, homeowners ask about metal and if we could look into the possibilities of carrying it. Well, over the last several years, we've researched a lot of different metal companies, and we're excited to say we're rolling out a new product and it's going over really well. We did a lot of research, we went through a lot of different manufacturers, and we love the decision we made this time in bringing a new and introducing a new product to our company to help the South Florida homeowners satisfy their roofing needs. One of the things that we saw that was going to be really important to the process to ensure the best installation was making sure we were able to do this on site and have the machines necessary so that everything could be done custom right here at the home, so it's done to the specific measurements to the home and to the roofing needs. A really important thing that we learned throughout this process is there are a lot of different metals, and when we started to see what homeowners' expectations were and some of the metals that we saw that were already installed in homes, we got a little concerned. So it took us a little bit longer to find the right products, because when we've been asked in the past about metal roofs, we've understood that the expectation by the homeowner was that they wanted to do it because they were expecting it to last a long time, like forever. So when we did the research, we started to recognize that there are certain metal roofs that will not live up to those expectations. So we wanted to identify the best ones and the best options so that we could bring those to the homeowners so that we can help them meet their expectations. So just like all other home improvement projects, it's really important to have an in-home consultation so that you can go over everything that you're trying to accomplish so that you get the best product and the best installation. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.